treats have a lot to do with it. These are really good. Look, you're still chewing. These are good. No. Now, before we get her talking too much, we want to make sure that Ricky's voice is fully warmed up. And we do that with some whistling exercises. No whistling? Big finale. Very nice. There you go. Good job. Good job. I really love it when she's doing whistling. You know, they make all their sounds with a muscle deep down in their lungs called the syrinx. And it's got to be hard to whistle when you don't have lips. Listen, it's got to be hard to whistle when they don't have lips. I know. I know. It's not that funny. Now, Ricky does sing several different songs. Some of them she does a few words, but some she does a little bit longer. We're going to start with a short one. Very good, very good, very good. Now we're going to go from working on the railroad to Old MacDonald's farm. Old MacDonald. No, it's down the line. Old MacDonald and a farm. Now on this farm, were there other animals, like maybe a chicken? Very nice. Is there also maybe a barnyard kitty cat? Very good. And you know, some farmers have really big dogs. We're going to call and see if he's got a dog. Come on! Come on! You know what I think that worked? I think I see a dog coming in right now. No! Yes! No! Yes! There he is. You know, she did live with another family for the first 40 years of her life, and she tells me bits and pieces from her life back then. The only thing I know for sure, she hates dogs. That's for sure. All right. Hey, do we have anybody here today celebrating a birthday? Any birthdays in the audience? No? Any birthdays coming up this week? Oh, we got a couple. There we go. We got a good song for you guys. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rick. Happy birthday to you. Very nice. There you go. Hopefully your names are Rick. She couldn't learn every birthday.